Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of English language, and today we are going to teach you about the bookwork of your first lesson revision. The first one is that already you have done in your class 7. Fill in the blanks with an appropriate adjective. First one is Naman has a lot of, or you can write it enough, or you can say no. Naman has a lot of money to purchase a bike. Naman has enough money to purchase a bike, or you can say Naman has no money to purchase a bike. Second, it was really a long journey, or you can write a tiring journey of all of us. Kamal needs sturdier shoes than these. Zenith saw a historical moment last year. फिर, are there any green vegetable in the refrigerator? Kaushik brought some rice. Nobody likes a selfish man. I saw a decent, or you can write, I saw many rich people in the meeting. Bhushan saw a beautiful painting, or you can, in the last one, you can have to write, Rohan is the smartest boy in the class. Superlative. Now, exercise B, you have to fill with the articles. Mr. Joseph is a unique man in our locality. Have you seen an ostrich before? I gave the books last year. Martha is a generous girl. Our school is one of the most reputed school in the city. Ranjan got some extra work from the teacher. Then 7. Pratyush is the only child of his parent. I received a letter from my grandpa. Dinesh is a benefactor, and Jishan went back to the city again. Now, choose the suitable preposition. Shreya went to Nainital. Boats will sail on the river. Third one, Mr. Bob is talking on the phone. You will write here on. Ganesh is a conversant to his office work. Manish will pen down a poem. The old man could chase the distance by foot. Then it's been raining since. Srijan condoled with. The bees were buzzing around. Then 10th one is birds perched on the roof of our house yesterday. Now, second one is fill in the blank with suitable conjunction. First one, the sums were tough, yet Nisha tried to solve them. Though, it will be though. Though Mr. Lara is poor, but he is honest. Prakash and his 5 friends is going for picnic. I need neither, or I need either. I need neither nor coffee, and I need either or coffee. Then the fifth one, my friend went to school by bus, but came back on foot. Then sixth one, do haste or you should miss the train. I brought some fruit and vegetables from the market. Mala is good at maths but not at English. Raj has gone early so he will reach on time. And the last one, since it is raining, you need to take an umbrella, or you can write as it is raining, you need to take an umbrella. Right. Now, this exercise E is not in your course. So that's all for today's session. Complete this work in your book. We will meet in our next session with new lesson. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.